Hello everyone, welcome back to another live stream. So what I was waiting for, like I did the analysis already before, so let me just quickly walk through the analysis I've done. Okay, so here's the thing. It's daily candle. I was expecting that it will close bearish after breaking this low. So that's why yesterday I did took a trade when it broke the low, but then it quickly, came back up and closed bullish. So what I'm expecting right now on a based on daily time frame, after we breaking the high here of the daily candle, if we reject and flip bearish, the sells will be really good below this area and continue with the downtrend. Why I'm expecting that is because we did had a chance here. If I take a look at the 4 hour time frame, we break above, we close, and we rejected this area right here right now. So we retrace around 50% or so. So I think current 4 hour candle here is breaking the high and now flipping bearish. Okay, so we still have 2 hours or so. Looking at this 1 hour candle, which have 9 minutes left. So if this candle do flip here, then I think it's taking a sell and driving down back to, like, this zone we have would be pretty good. That's what I'm targeting today, most likely. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, trade and idea was here was good. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we have 8 minutes. So I think I should have executed here instead of just waiting below these areas. But anyway, let's see. Let's see what we get. We have already moved how much from here to here? 33 pips. Let's see. We have just moved 33 pips. So based on 5 minute time frame, even if this candle do close below, that is okay confirmation for us. Okay. Because if I wait for this 15-minute candle to close, most likely what we can see is this candle could easily could, break below and drive down till here. That's what we are targeting and close back above the zones. So even if we can get, let's say, 0.50 or below that, that's okay. Based on GU right now, uh, we were in consolidation zone. We break below, but we are back into the consolidation zone. So I mean, I'm not taking any trade yet on this pair. And another thing that is, like, you know, it does take a lot of time to move. So let's say from here, even if I would like to take a buy and assuming this will go this much up, that would be like 48 pips from here to that in 4 hour time frame. So based on 30-minute time frame, I am expecting a break of structure here, then continuation of the top. So that would be 25 pips or so. So let's see if we can get a break of structure here for this area before taking any buys and targeting this highs we have here. So most likely we are looking for cells below this structure. Potential cells, I'm targeting this zone. So most likely how much is that? 0.71%, and I mean most likely we're gonna risk less. Would like to. And this time I'm gonna use dynamic risk. I'm gonna enter with a lower lot size. And if the candle do, retrace back up, to add any other potential entries. We got another 1 hour candle open up just right now. So we did, rejected this area multiple times here, and we have no bottom pick at this moment. And we started just moving to the top side. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we still have 1 hour or so left. So either we wait another 2 hours before taking trades, and how much time? 1 hour is before we start going to London. So even if this 50 minute or 30 minute candle do break the low here, should we take the trade? Question is that, I mean, are we having enough volume? So if we break the low in based on 5 minute time frame as well and close below these areas at least, that would be a weak confirmation to take the trade at least. I mean, so either I can take a trade when this candle flip bearish, but we're still in consolidation. So there is no point of taking a trade here. We need a closure below the structure. So we need to wait another 15 minutes. Like right now, average 15-minute candle is moving around 17 pips or so. Let's just take last 5 candles, okay? So this candle from move from here to here, let's say here to here. How much? 15 pips. Then another candle, 17 pips. Then this one moved just around 10 pips, but next move 17 pips. So average candle moving around 20 pips was. So this candle had a different approach, like 20 pips. So if we move already 8 to 9 pips and go back down, how much? Yeah, we can target these areas. So based on what I think is if this candle do flip bearish and broke below, taking this also will be great. Looking at the GJ, I do not count this pair right now much. I think I should remove it from here. Should we remove our GU and GA? I mean, should we add any other pair? Let's see. Popular market. We have US 30. I don't trade US 30. I mean, I don't think so. We have anything. So we have Euro USD plus 57.6. That's 0 point. So what is moving like? Interesting. What is? It does move so choppy here. Yeah, so we're just checking here, like what do we have at the core? Oh, we are still pushing, so no trade. So I mean, euro is a good pair, but I don't think so. It is so no GUs, no euro GPYs, no USD GPY. Nope, not this one. USD CAD. Ooh, look at that. This market is like, zoop, but still a lot of consolidation again. What do we have on euro GB? The CHF. This market is just trending to the top side, I think. Nothing else. Wow, look at this. I mean, was what kind of a news was this one? This is like 100 pip move. Hmm, pretty good one, right? I mean, whoever did catch this one would be like great. This is just crazy. Whatever. What do we have? We're breaking the highs. See, the price will definitely continue going up. There are a lot of currency pairs, and some are like not even you know in here. Look at this. This is this is nice. I mean, this is nice. Like, look at this trend. It's so good. We had a consolidation, downtrend, consolidation, uptrend. Let's see. Was it like it's moving like that from the beginning? Yeah, uptrend, consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, downtrend, uptrend. Which funded account? I'm with Funding Frontier currently. I'm trading with Funding Frontier. If you don't know, you can check out through my link. I don't know if I have put it into the description or not, but yeah, check it out. So yeah, what we have on gold right now? Still a consolidation, so no trade at the moment. We're gonna wait. Okay. So what do we have? I mean, look at this pair. whoever trade this pairs, I mean, either he will be making a lot of money, or either he will have like good idea about the economy that he is trading this pair. I mean, it's good to trade the pair that you think is like, if you know about that economy stuff. Let's see, do we have any INR pair? I do not think so. Like it, yep, I do not think. So yeah, let me just change this again. So this 15-minute candle is flipping bearish, and if we get a break of structure and close below, most likely taking the sells will be good. So here you go, Varun. You ask which prop firm I use. I found the link and send you. Basically, this 5 minute time frame is like even if you break above this area, most likely it will touch this much. You can see price go up around 0.30% or so. But as we are looking for sells, I'll stick with the sells. We still have 1 hour or so left. I think we have detected twice here now. So that means I think we have enough volume to go. We are breaking the high over here with no bottom wick. With no bottom wick, so most likely price can reverse at this point. You see, we had a no bottom wick, price did create a wick at this point. We had no bottom wick, the next candle did came down, right? So let's say where let's find another candle with no top wick. This candle did create a top wick before going down. So yeah, it's like that. I mean, if you take a look at the daily time frame here, most likely we don't have much of a wick here. So we might come back while rejecting the zones, right? So just we're just consolidating at this moment. I mean, whoever in the morning, I think in Asian session, if you have break this breakout, I mean, if you caught this trade, this was a good move, right? I was not aware of it at that time. Mhm. Well, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, have you guys ever watched like some YouTube videos like a movie for trading and everything? I would recommend this channel. Like he added the videos like pretty good. I have watched him, pretty good guy, like amazing. The way he creates the videos and everything. American most powerful stock trader. But yeah, we have news today at 7:30 as well. So either we wait till then, or either we take a trade at the time of at the open of a New York session, whatever price action we get. If it's a break of the structure above, then most likely we can expect price to move at least 34 pips. And maybe in New York session, maybe at the time of 7:30 p.m., either we continue going up or either we'll see a rejection and we'll go back down. Right? But personally, I'm looking for cells that should be below this area or this area. It will be a great confirmation. Okay, this two, and if we break below 2363, that is a daily candle flip, most likely. Yeah, 2363 is a daily candle flip. So then I mean, like, obviously, price will have really good amount of volume for to move down. Here we are moving to the top side now. We have not yet even started into NY session. Only reason I'm not taking a trade right now is because if I take a sell here, I want price to move at least, break up the structure and go down this much down. And in order to take the sell, I need to put stop loss above this area. That will be 0.20%, right? And most likely it can still got hit. So above this area at 0.50%. I don't think so. I'm ready to risk that much. Overall, we are down on this account 3%, 3.6%. So we're gonna go slow now. We have two choice. If we hit 5%, most likely I'm gonna get aggressive a little bit. Like I will increase the lot size and try to trade with that. Because yeah, I understand that this week we had a losing streak, but it's only this week, right? We rejected first here once, twice. This is third time, I mean. If we flip bearish from here, most likely we should see a break of the structure now. Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? I'm bullish on gold. I mean, it's good. Why are you bullish on gold? Like, give me your analysis. Why? Send a chart, maybe in Discord group, wherever you want, but send a chart or something. Explain yourself. Let's see. Why are you bullish on gold? And are you in the trade? Are you in buy, sells, whatever? We'll be back in a minute. Okay, so sorry for that. Let me just turn on my lights. So gold it is breaking the highs over here most likely, and taking a buy for me is not an option right now because we are approaching a resistance here. And if I do take a buy, that should be like above this areas we have based on even 4 hour time frame. I think we are approaching big rejections. So we still have 1 hour. So how about we wait that much? Let's wait 30 minutes or so for 1 hour candle to close and see how does it close. Okay. Yes. I mean, let's see. I mean, how do we react on this points? Most likely here or here. I mean, we are approaching resistance, right? So we still have this 30-minute candle and next candle to open. So next 5 minutes, if this candle do close bullish, then next candle will break, uh, retest this lows and continue going up. I'm expecting, I don't know how much it could go up till here, most likely. And if we do, not worth it. I do not think so. I will take the trade here. This is the thing, right? So we've been bullish on GJ for long period of time, for because I mean yen is not that strong compared to pound. So let's see, even if we get a small pullback and taking a buy and holding it won't that won't be a big problem. Let's say where can we take this buy? We have breakthrough about this, breaking the highs of the candles, taking a taking a look at the weekly time frame here. This was the break. Okay. So if we do a small retest to this zone, taking a buy and holding it till this high. What do you think, people? So let's go to 4 hour. I don't think so. We should have this much of a moment, right? How much was this one? This was like 64 pips. Hmm. Let's see if we get small runner on that. We have 1 minute left before this candle do closed. For 30-minute time frame, we still have 15 minute, and we don't have much of a wick on that 30-minute time frame based on 1 hour, no bottom wick. 4 hour time frame. Interesting. Let's see. So when the next candle do open up, what do we have? So from this key area, we had a huge sell orders, right? So we had a huge downside. So if we are touching, I mean, we if we are tapping into that zone again, what we can see is if this 15 minute candle could do go up and reject and then flip bearish and then consolidate based on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, and close something like this, the next candle will be driving down till here. So we're gonna wait another 30 minutes because we're gonna I think New York session will start in next 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes left before the NY session does start. And that will at least give us a moment that where price will be heading because we did just have a breakout right now. So we did break the high, and now if we are flipping bearish, but even if we get rejection, that's fine. Well, that's pretty good if your buyers are doing great. But as I said, like I'm looking for sells right now. We have a wick rejection here, and this is the high we have, right? So we are still approaching to the top side. Let's see. Let's go to. Okay, nice. Let's see. Let's see. We have 12 minutes before we enter in NY session. So we'll have enough volume for price to move now because we've been consolidation. We've been consolidating for quite some time now. So this breakout will give us at least enough, you know, range or volume to make some profit. I'm still waiting how this 15-minute candle will close because that will give us a direction. If it closes strong bullish candle, that means price will have enough volume, I think. I mean, to continue going up because that candle did close bullish on a resistance. Let's see. And I would advise you to, I think, close your trade because we are approaching 4 hour, 1 hour resistance. You can see we are approaching a resistance here. So most likely, I think you should call it a day based on what I see. See, we've been into these zones now. This is nice. So 1 hour 1 hour closure is in 9 minutes. Okay. So what I think will happen is the next 1 hour candle should be touching this highs we have, or maybe this. Okay. Hmm. So we did hit the resistance, I hit the 15 minute, and yeah, highest I think we can go is this. So we should start looking for rejection now. So in next 3 minutes, I think, yeah, NY session will start next 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see how this 15-minute candle do close. So we got 1 hour candle closed in 2 minutes, in next 2 minutes. So what I'm expecting, so last we had a huge drop from here to doing a retest here and then continue going to the downside, right? So we are tapping into a key area level, and I'm expecting the next 1 hour candle to reject the zones we have, big time frame. So if we come up around that 2379, and I think if we reject those and close bearish again, bearish again, taking a trade, putting stop loss above these areas and targeting their slows will be a good trade. Because see this, okay, how much did we move after the breakout? Move around 54 pips. How much is this? This is 41 pips. If we go till to the top, yeah, that's exactly 54 pips. You see? So if we reject this area, most likely I'm looking for sales if we flip bearish. Okay. In next 40 seconds, 40 seconds. I'll be just watching, be back. Okay. Okay. So this mid candle, new 30 mid candle we have, and new 1 hour candle. Okay. Let's see. So New York's just started. We have no topic, I think, right? Yeah, we do not have any topic. So that means there is no range for price to continue going up. Most likely either we reject here in this zone and flip bearish. If we break below this area, taking a sell, putting stop loss above will be way better, way good, right? So I think better sells will be below this area, either if we create some kind of a support and break the structure. Let's give around 15 to 20 minutes for price to settle and give us a direction. We are approaching the big area, I think, based on 15 time frame, but I think not much. It, it's like completely rejecting too many times. So even if we flip bearish, that's fine. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. So where can we start looking for sells, Okay. I mean, we did started rejecting at this point. So let me explain a okay. So we are monthly basis, we are bullish. Okay. So I'm just gonna target this high we have here. I'm just gonna put this above, lock it. Weekly time. What do we have? This candle, we seen that there are too many reactions, right? Okay. We have made bullish candle twice, rejected too many times. So that level, okay. Based on daily time frame, what do you see? We we st- let me mark it out, okay? So you see, this is a strong level of area. We when the like this is a strong level of area we have as a resistance. Let me change this to this and lock it up. You seen that this daily candle is respecting those areas and close below, and this candle doesn't have a bottom wick, so I'm expecting this candle can flip anytime, right? That's what I've been saying on the live stream. So what can we do here? What can we do? We're gonna go to 4 hour time frame here and see. Yeah, 4 hour time frame. Where is the rejection? So whenever we have break above, yeah, we have move up. Here we have move up. So we had another break. We might move up, but we have daily candles that have no bottom wick. So I'm gonna mark my rejection zone that I have. That is 2380. Okay, gonna lock that period. Why I'm marking that out? Because before you see we have a multiple reactions at that point. We started going down, right? Going to 1 hour. We started section. Let's go to smaller time frame like 30 minutes. Let's do it this. Okay. Let's build this up a little bit. You have this area of if we break, come back down below this zone based on 50-minute time frame, we are coming down. What do we have? We have this as a resistance, right? Let's see. So we have this as a resistance. Here we did close above that area, I think. For me, we did close above those areas, so might expect for price to continue going up that much, right? So we are not counting that as a right now. We are counting this as a stronger resistance, 2380, right? So if I'm expecting that price should go down, I need to see another rejection based on 5-minute time frame and breaking low. Wait a second, let me just this here to here. Okay, let's create another. If what now if we break below this area, taking a sell is good option, right? Let's wait for another rejection. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Look at that. Where is that volume from? We are breaking. So either we are stepping up or we just let's go to the left hand side. Let's see. Yeah, we have distance based on time. Let me unlock this. 380. Right? Yep. So let's see. We have 2 minutes left. In next 2 minutes, if how this candle do close, if it reject or whatever it does, based on that the trade. Because I'm pretty sure price need to come down. We have already moved a lot. I'm gonna be using 5 on this trade if I do take it. Okay. And keep in mind, this is like 50% of the risk. Another 50% I'm gonna use later on if I get my entry properly right, But we just need to wait another 1 minute before this candle to close. So we did hit this area. This is a 5 minute resistance. So if we are rejecting and closing below this resistance we have after that, so that could be a potentially good over time. Even if we do, let's this is another level. Where is it? And from pretty interesting. 380 that area. Now we started rejecting based on 5 minute time frame. Is that right? So yeah, this 5 minute candle did close. After that, what do we have? We started rejecting, but we have a top way. So we need to break it and then reject, I guess. Man, I need man, I need a coffee, please. Should I go and get a coffee? This could be the liquidity grab. You know what I mean by liquidity grab is to uh, hunt for the highs, and then we have a. If we break the highs, and then if the candle looks bearish, likely we should push down to here. We have 1 minute before this 50 candle to close. If we see a rejection after that, actually 30-minute candles. Closure. We got a closure on 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. So this is the last half hour for 4 hour candle to close. Oh, so as I was saying that this is the last 30-minute candle for 4 hour, and I think most likely if expecting and close bearish to the left hand side, what I'm expecting, as this is not just a strong resistance point according to me. but I'm still expecting that if price do reject and we need some kind of a structure on this smaller time frame before we either we break below this area, that could be potential sell still here and continuation till the back to the range. So that's what I'm waiting for. Either if we break above, buying, I'm not interested in, to be honest. Personally, as if price is that much strong, then this 30-minute candle should have enough volume to drive to the tops areas in the last 30 minutes. Okay, I'm back. So, okay, what do we have? Let me, so based on what I see, let's see what we have. Is this, yep, that's the same area. So most likely this is a way better confirmation. If this 15-minute candle, any candle, break below, close below this area, taking a sell. If that's going to be our trade, any trade. It's still pushing here. This area is the flip of a 1 hour as well, right? So if you flip bearish, okay, based on 1 hour time frame, could be a pretty good trade. Okay. So once we at least be below these areas, I mean, the volume is not there. I can see that pretty clearly that, based on 5 minute, what we did is consolidate, boom, touch these areas. Now we've been rejecting from once and we did close above based on 5 minute time frame, but we did not break the high. We're respecting the high in 1 minute. In 2 minutes, either we close above or below this area. So let's see what we can get. Right. You got 50 seconds. Let's say 15-minute candle will be closing below this area is pretty good. If you break the low and touch the zones or below this area, we close. Pretty good trade. Gold is clean again. I don't think so. Keep in mind. So this key area 2381 or 80 is have does have multiple rejections at this point. So what I'm expecting, if we go reject this area and close below 2378, I'll be looking for sells till 2371 or maybe below. But most likely we should reject the zones and at least have 20 to 30 pips for us to target. Give me a moment. Need to attend a call. Yeah, so as I was saying, it's not clean, sorry. Yeah, what I mean, that's what I mean. Mostly, as we have moved this much up, we should have a nice pullback. So that's what I'm waiting for in NY session, most likely. And you're done for the day. That's pretty good. That's pretty good that you got buys here and here. Nice one. Well done. If we checked, most likely we are looking for sales. Just waiting at this point because we have no closure, no nothing. So this 5 minute candle did close respecting the zone 2381. Now what we just need is the break of the structure and going down, break of the structure, continuation of the downtrend. Mhm. will I play the game? I mean, if you like to, sure, why not? Like it's 6:30, we still have 1 hour and 70 minutes or so because for the news and stuff. So most likely we are still waiting at this moment. We did not get any broke off the structure or anything. But later on we can play the game after we take the trade, after waiting for the trade. Sure, why not? Yeah, I think based on 15-minute time frame, we are flipping bearish. So let's see. I mean, we have 10 minutes for the 4 hour candle to close. So if this candle do close respecting to 381, okay, and it does not break the high immediately, at least even if it respect the zone here or here, I'm good, to be honest. Like based on what I see, if it respect the structure at least and closed wherever bullish, what I'm expecting next candle can come down at least to this zone or maybe here. Let me add another one. Yeah. So if even if we get a retest of this zone, even if we get a retest of this zone, taking buys from here, the only reason I'm seeing a buys right now is because this 4 hour candle did close bullish. Okay, but if this is a fake out, this candle should have been rejected and went gone down, right? Now that if this candle is closing strong bullish, what I'm expecting next candle either could do a retracement till here and then flip bullish, take out the go maybe further bullish. So let's say, I mean, based on 15 minute and 30-minute time frame, I'm still expecting price to reject and come down a little bit. What if it's close above this wicks? If it close above the wicks, then I'm not taking any trade most likely. if I do take a trade for buys, I'm gonna, not gonna risk much, to be honest. For some reason, I do not think so that, price will have much volume. I mean, to the top side. It will either grab liquidity before switching to the sell. If it does not, then I don't know. Then, I mean, because yeah, 50 minute is candle closing bearish after 6 minutes or so. So if we just get structure here, I mean break of the candle, previous candle low, then I'm expecting price to move down, further down, in order to what, risking 0.40% or so. Because next candle, like based on 4 hour, let's say if the new candle do open up and it do break the highs and then flip bearish, then I'm expecting we'll have a more downside movement. Okay, so if we do that, then let's see. I mean, we wait next 5 to 10 minutes and we will get the answer. Still have 4 minutes left. Okay, we have volume, I think, in last 4 minutes. Just waiting if we break the low here over here. Yeah. If we do, that will be our first confirmation that price is rejecting these levels. Okay. Now the second confirmation, if we break this support area we have, if we close below that area, and next what we like to see is next candle pushing down, breaking lows and all. So let's see. We have 4 hour left. 4 minutes left. I mean. Actually, it is slow compared to gold. It is slow. Trust me. Like I was when I was trading GU and GJ, it had like in this much, like from here to here, it that was like nice amount of movement. This is on 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes. Like okay, if I am taking sell from here to here, this is like 34 pips or so. So in that period of time, you break up the structure, taking a trade here to here, I can easily target around 25 pips or so in this moment. But right now it does look slow compared to gold, to be honest. That's true. So we have 3 minutes before we break the lows here. I think 1 hour candle is flipping bearish. Pretty nice. Once this candle do flip bearish, most likely we should. Ooh, look at that. Last minute volume. With the new 4 hour candle opening up, taking immediately sell will be not good. Mm. Which app are you using to stream? I mean, there are multiple apps that you can use. Right now, I'm using OBS, but that's it. Up to you, whatever you like to use. I'm using OBS. OBS. So we got 1 minute before the 1 hour close in 53 seconds. So this will be an interesting close. Now the next candle, either next candle will have a huge wick breaking the highs and then flip bearish and going down. So either we immediately break the lows and start moving to these areas. Two options we have. Let's see what we get. Because based on 15-minute time frame, we need a closure below here, right? In 30 seconds. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we did, I think, close below, but I cannot take the trade. Nope. So what I think is we're gonna take out these highs before I think breaking the structure. Yes, I think that's what I'm saying. Like based on what I see, this 4 hour candle should have a top wick. So whatever it does, either it reject this wick or it could break this highs and then reject. So yeah, based on what I see on 1 hour, as we are still respecting and closing below 2378 on 1 hour time frame. Like here's the thing, right? This was our area. We did close respecting those areas. Okay, either it's so near to that. So if this 1 hour candle do flip bearish right now, after creating this highs or whatever, then most likely we could easily target this area. You can say clean trade. is below this area. So, I mean, this candle is flipping bearish, but taking a trade at this moment, what will happen is that we have not break the highs yet. So I am not comfortable yet to take the sells. In order to take for me to take the sells, I need to see the break of the highs and flipping bearish 1 hour candle and continuation of. At any given point, this candle could flip easily, okay, easily to the top side. That's why I'm not taking the trade here. Either now, if this 1 hour or candle do flip to the upside from here above this area, I'll be taking a buys and targeting the highs, okay? Because what we think is if candle do take out, come down and tap into the zones and reject, then buyers will be to the top side. This is a maybe option because what I think price may reject this because we still have 8 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. And for 4 hour, whenever new 4 hour candle open up, I think we should give at least 15 minutes for price to settle down and give us a proper direction. So I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. If it's closed around here and putting stop loss above this candle is 0.30% and targeting this low 0.50%, pretty good trade for me. So see what did I said? Like we can easily flip to the top side. Take a look at the 15-minute time frame. We are flipping bullish right now. Entered sell again. Have made 1% quick sell. Congratulations, brother. Brother, like You are doing crazy. Like, where did you scalp? Like, for sell from the top 2380, or where? Where was your entry for sell? Because what I think is this candle will go up if it, once it grab the highs from here and then flip bearish, then I could take a look for the sells. So I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, people, because we will stay live another 1 hour. Okay, so be back in 15 minutes. I need some break. I need some coffee and a little bit of a stamina to continue watching the chart or maybe do something because yeah, that's it. Just stick with here. I'm gonna write it down and I'll be back. I'll just put it in the chat. Keep in mind, I do have another screen with my hand. So I'll be using that most likely if we do, eventually if we do break this highs and then flip bearish, I'll be taking some. But you will see that on the screen if I do take any trades, okay? So yeah, you will see the stop loss and everything that I do. Thank you for sticking with us. I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, people, I'm back. Okay. So what do we have? So we did go a little bit down, but we are still expecting to price to break the highs and then flip bearish. Okay. GU still in the zone, not taking any trade. If we have any drop on GJ, most likely I'm going to take buys and hold as it's still moving to the top side. Other than that, yeah, I'm still expecting that this 4 hour candle should break the high first before flipping again bearish. Okay. So that's what we're going to count on. So So here's the thing, right? Uh, this 30-minute candle, if it stay above 2380, okay, and next candle do break the highs and respect this highs and do flip bearish, most likely what we'll see is a consolidation. And next candle should on 50 based on 15-minute time frame, if we break below this area or maybe get better confirmation that price is going down more, then we're gonna take the trade. Okay. We have a news exam ready. Let's wait for that. Like my past trading was really irrational, I can say. I think I made pretty bad losses. This is like over trading for me. Okay. After after yesterday's live stream, I did some analysis on my trade ideas and stuff like that. So I do understand that I've been trading like rationally. Like I have current week, this is like only had a single profit and I've been losing. Okay. Not made any profit or so. Based on month, I'm down 5%, and based on all over of the account, we are down around 3.6 or 7%. So today, I'm thinking of whatever trade I do take, it should not be like rational, like without much confirmation, without doing proper analysis or anything. You know, this time I'm gonna wait nice, like not gonna just jump to the trade. We've been live for 3 hours, mostly 2 minutes, 40 minutes. Sorry, 2 hours, 40 minutes. So it's been 3 hours or so. I'm pretty okay with that. So basically, here's the thing, right? The new 30-minute candle just started, and what I think we did went up, we break the highs, but there is no top current candle on the previous 30-minute candle. So if this candle do break this highs and then flip bearish, then taking a sell and targeting these lows could be a better trade and putting stop loss a little bit above the current candle wick. What do you think? Welcome, welcome. So yeah, what we are looking at the right now is if this 30-minute candle do break highs like 2, 3 or whatever this highs we have, and then flip bearish, we'll be taking a trade at that time. If you're on the live stream, can you let me know if you hear anything in the background or just my voice? That's fine. That's great. Let's see. I think how much time we have for the news? It's 7 p.m. So we have, I think, half hour or so. Forex factory. Let's see what do we have. We have 7:30 p.m. We have what about test again testify. We had that yesterday, right? Paul was testifying. Testifies. So he's testifying again. I mean, yesterday he testified and we lost. So if he testify today again, will we win? We lose. Huh. Whenever he testify, I think I lost. Just saying, just saying. Paul is Jeremy Paul is testifying, guys, in half hour. Should we do something about him? I think we should stop him to go to. I mean, yeah, yesterday he testified and it just flew up. So why not? It could fly up, and you know what happened, right? Let's see. So yesterday where it was. Let's go here. I think this was the move, or I think yeah, this was the move. Yeah. So yesterday what happened is that price did fly up and then it flipped bearish. So if we have the same move again at the same time, fly up and then flipping bearish from here, taking a sell and I'm targeting this lows pretty good. Like based on 4 hour, that would be a retest of that zone. So we did break off the structure. If this candle do flip bearish after breaking the highs, that means most likely we're gonna come back to the zones 2368 or 70, and TP should be fine. Or I mean, let's see 30-minute time frame. We are flipping bullish on that. If we break this highs next 22 minutes, and with the Jerome testifying, we fly up, reject 2387, and then the bearish. So that would be great. Testifying. Ooh, we are flying on GJ. Look at that. Break above and swoop 2307. I mean, just give us an entry, brother. Like, we need to be in this bull run. Like, I want to be on the bull run, you know? Like, GJ has been like from 98 or 99, it's just keep going. Like, yen is so weak. I mean, I don't know what to say. Like, whenever it did that, we had a movement and then going up. So, right, if we put our buy stop again here and target the highs, would be good trade. We did break the above and we are rejecting again. Oh, either I put my sell stop here whenever price do just tap it and reject, you know. I think we have a better resistance at 2385. We had a multiple rejection and then downtrend rejection retested. So if we touch this area and reject, would be a pretty good trade. How to do buy stop work? In MetaTrader 5, you have an option there you can see. And in C Trader, how does the buy stop work? Is like you see here, I just need to below the sell button, there is this one, right? So I just put here, this is a sell stop, okay? And if I put above, that is a buy stop, right? Simple as that. whenever price to come to that area, price will trigger it, and yeah, that's it. Like for an example, if I put it here, whenever price to come to this area, it will trigger my. You can see below here is my order. It will come to this area. It will trigger the sell stop, and whenever price, whatever price do after that, if it's go up, I will be in loss. If it go down, I'm in profit. So we have 15-minute closure in next 2 minutes. We have 30-minute closure in 17 minutes. So based on 30-minute time frame, what we are expecting is the break of this high and continuation to this area, the 85, and then we are expecting a rejection from there. Actually, 30-minute candle is 30-minute time frame is so clean. I like it. See, let's say if this 30-minute candle do close, respecting these areas, and if we expect that the next 30-minute candle after respecting this lows and break the highs and reject, flip bearish in this area and come back down, could be a good trade. But if this candle do break the highs and next candle open up and reject and flip bearish, then I need to wait for the candle to close before taking the trade. So in 16 seconds, I guess, let's see how this candle do close. Brother, why are you keep saying it that gold should buy? I mean, it could fly. It could fly. I have entered in a quarter risk. Bro, you should stop trading right now. You made a profit. Done for the day. You should go home. You don't want to, keep risking your like market will give you profit like one time, two time. And remember, when you enter third time, it will take it back, So don't do that. You got your profit, you just run away. To be honest, if your current trade is not that much in drawdown, if it's like 0.10% or so, close it and go home. Because, as I said, okay, we are breaking the highs here. That will be negative $25. Gold is breaking, which means going break even. Well, going break even, close the trade, bro. As I mean, once we hit the 2385, or maybe, so here's the thing. Let me go on a 15-minute time frame to explain you guys what I was looking for, right? So I was expecting if price do break below and tap into this zone first, then I was looking for buys from here to the top side, okay? But if we do tap into 2385, so most likely we will see a major rate. Why is that? Because you see, we had this kind of, after that, like we had a huge bearish run. So that is a key area for volume to enter. So this volume will have enough to, touch this area. It will have rejections. So most likely, if we touch that area, I'm taking sells, you see, we have a rejections after breaking the highs. We are rejecting that zone. So if we even back into the range, that's a good confirmation for me. Risk free trade, great, great. Don't risk that much, bro. Now you are done for the day. Break even hit, that's good. Don't 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 enter the trade right now, okay? Don't, like, we have a news in 10 minutes, so don't enter the trade at there right now. Like, just wait for the news. Let's see how it does it react, and after that we can see what we can do. You've been saying that you won't take any trade, but trust me, you have taken too many trades till now. I understand that it's all win, but still, bro. Either you just leave like a runner to either downside or the buy side. Just use really lower lot size or something. Okay, we are touching the level. Most likely we're gonna in next 6 minutes or so. Let's see how does the price reacting. Based on what I see, if it does break the highs in here, okay, people, we have 5 minutes, 5 minutes 30 seconds when the news come in. So let's do this. I mean, like either we have right now or after the liquidity grab, and we see what we can do. Yeah, gold is flying. That's true. But as I said, there are multiple resistance. Gold didn't, budge to the downside a little bit. So yeah, gold is strong, that I can say. But again, we still have 1 hour closer in 4 minutes. Keep in mind, and we have a news at the same time. So either we see a huge tap into the zones or rejection of the zones. Whenever we do that, and keep in mind 2393 is a flip of a weekly candle bullish. So we might see a nice of a bull run till how much? I mean, if we break that area, we have a clean candle till here, right? So if we flip bullish, most likely we're gonna go to 2405. We are approaching another resistance we have here. You guys be ready. All is gonna be testifying in just 1 minute 30 seconds. And with his testifying, we're gonna lose. I mean, like yesterday we did lose, so I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna lose or if we're gonna win. But yeah, yeah. Last time did Jerome testify, we had a bullish run. So if he again testify today, if we have another bullish run, that will be to 400 possibly, or we just reject and could retest the whole zone. We are rejecting. Ooh, look at that. We got a closure. We are respecting the highs, I think, right? So what do we have based on 1 hour time frame? Yeah, we are respecting our this zone, I think, or this you can say. So this is a strong level we have here, I guess. I mean, this price did close, candle did close bullish here, so we can scalp here. So if we break the highs again, I think taking a buy is good. Well, how about we do that? And I'm gonna target this high. That's 27 pips. Gonna put the stop loss at break even at 10 pips. I'm gonna put stop. Sorry, I'm gonna put this exactly below the current candle low. There we go. We have not break the highs yet. Okay, we are in the trade. People, we are in the trade. Adjusting my stop loss. Okay, how about we put the stop loss with the current candle low? Will that be fine? But that's too much risk. I think below, at least giving enough room for price to continue going up. This is a new 1 hour candle based on what I see. We break the highs. If we close below those areas, we still have one wick. Putting stop loss below the structure is way better, to be honest, if you ask me. Yep. I think this time I'm not gonna this what we call budge, because I'm gonna put the stop loss below the structure. Last time what I do is every time is manage my risk. I put stop loss so close to the rate that it could hit easily. Okay. So we're not gonna manage risk if we do break below this zones, but we can still manage the risk. But most likely targeting this highs and putting stop loss below the structure is okay. We could actually even break this and go further up too, but let's Last time Jerome testified, we did fly up. So if he if we testify again and it does fly up, we're good. Yeah, we are in the news. I mean, it's been 5 minutes or so. So yeah, that is too much risk. I mean, I think we're gonna break the highs first before even it dropping back down again. You know. So I'm gonna quickly as we move just 10 pips in profit. I'm gonna move stop loss at break even. Trust me, because I know I'm not gonna risk today. I'm just waiting. Yet we have not even entered in profit zone. You know. The 1 hour is still like you know not showing much volume. It had a bullish candle, but I think we have not yet break the highs. Yeah, that's here. I think as we do go up and touch these areas, I'm gonna put stop loss at break even, right? Oh, this is a new 5 minute candle. That's why we are retracing. That's what I was saying. Like I'm gonna enter another 0.50 as we do break the 5 minute high. I'm gonna let this trade open. Okay, we are in the trade. We are in the trade. I'm just waiting to grab the highs here. Once we break the highs, I think I'm gonna close 50% or maybe put stop loss at break even. Just waiting. We are up 1 pip at the moment, 4 pip, 5 pips. We are up 5 pips. Okay, people, we are up 5 pip. Moving stop loss below these lows as we move and profit. Because if we break the lows now, then most probably we're gonna tag the lows. You know. Let's go take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I don't want price to break the lows again. So moving stop loss exactly below the lows we have. you've been asking like why did I took the buys there is simple. Like this 1 hour candle had a wick. So for this candle to drive down back down, as when it did created this wick, it should have break this highs before going down. Okay, when it does create break this high, it will have enough volume to touch our TP and then reject and flip bearish before going down. So we are targeting the buys as we are in a really strong bullish run. So I think this trade could make us around 0.50% at least. That's what I'm targeting. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. Uh, that would be better. You added a layer. What do you mean by layer? Like I use 1.50 lot size, and my initial lot size was 2. So I just added 0.50 at the 5 minute high row. So yeah, I was using standard risk right now. Okay, we are moving here. Just waiting at this point. I'm waiting for Jerome to testify so we can win. Jerome is not testifying for us. Man, someone tell that guy to testify. Please make 10 pips and go home. Let's go, Jerome, testify. Testify for 10 pips. Like last time he did testify, he made a bull run. So why not today? Why not today? Are you against? Are you watching our live stream? Once we, I think, break the highs here, once we flip bullish from here, we should see continuation till 2386. And if it does reject or break above, then I don't know. We'll see. Let's go, Jerome. Testify. Jerome is testifying, guys. Jerome is testifying. He's listening to us. And yeah, most likely he will give us our TP at this moment, 0.50% or so. Let's go. Oh no, he's not testifying. He is telling us to get out of the trade at the break even or what? Should we move? Actually, if we did not break the highs, should we move our stop loss below the structure again? Oh, did the candle close here? Oh, in 2 minutes we have 15-minute candle close. Oh, hey, okay. So I think let's just put stop loss there because I don't want to, wait more than like, just price to break the structure and take us out. Because whatever I do, like keep in mind if we do come back into these zones, hmm, I don't think. I mean, another thing is the reason I was putting stop loss below is that we have too many wicks rejection here. So even if I put my stop loss below this wicks, it's still too big. That's still 1% of the trade to target 0.50%. But yes, I'm giving enough room to this trade. The only reason I'm doing that because according to my previous trades that I took, price did move in my way, but it didn't have enough, you know, what do you call? Can we see him testifying live? I mean, I don't know. Maybe go to the federal website. Maybe if he is live on YouTube also or any other sites, then you can. I don't think so that that is done live. Maybe if there is a NFP or some kind of a bigger news, unemployment claim or anything, I think at that time we do see him live on the site. We have 30-second left. So with the new 50-minute candle opening up, I'm expecting the price will shoot up or maybe shoot down. Let's see what we can get. Hey, we got new 50-minute candle opening up with no bottom wick. Actually, what we'd like to see on this 30-minute candle, even if we do break the low and then flip bullish, we'll have more potential for price to move up if it does that. Ooh, look at that. Price have much volume for prices going down. Now, if this candle do flip bullish, I think we should see a bullish momentum. I think I should have taken 0.50 lot size trade second entry here. Would be a way better. So if we did flip bullish now, so I think we should see. I'm gonna put my TP at the top. Just I don't want like it just zoop up and come back down and hit the TP. I would like to see and do it manually things. So basically, we did retest this again, right? Let's wait 2 minutes 50 seconds. If we come down to these areas before going up, or we are. So we're breaking the lows here again, and which is not good. But as I said, I'm gonna wait for price to if it does come back into this zone. We have multiple wick rejection. We have a support here. So uh, my theory was price do come down and retest and then go up. Same theory here. Come here and if it flip back up, so that would be our entry point still. because this is this is like, proper retest. So even if you reject from here, that's fine. Even if you reject from here, that's okay. I'm just, the only problem I have is this huge week. If it's come down and touch this week and before going up, that could be a problem here. We have. I really need a gaming. Well, brother, I think I would suggest you to go and get a job and work for it. You will have it done, most probably. So, ooh, we are still moving to the downside here. I think I'm gonna move SL to below this week because of this reaction we have. Because I'm still hoping that 1 hour will have a reaction, below this 1 hour. Or yeah, right. So actually, we have 1 hour. So 1 hour can easily flip bullish. You know, yeah, we should tap this zone again before even going to downside. Because below this zone, I was looking for sales, right? I was hoping to scalp just this much, 10 pips or so, as we have moved already this much up. Question is, are we coming back to this zone or we're gonna push out from this zone? Because we have a bullish run, right? Whenever for our new candle close, we should have a. Keep in mind, like last time we had a bearish move before the bullish move. So this is a liquidity graph for me. Like when the at news, we didn't move at all. And now if we are moving to the downside, we are grabbing liquidity. Even if we do come down towards stop loss, I'm expecting for price to, stay above these areas at least. If it's respect the support, we are already seeing a rejection to 2378. So most likely if this kind of flip bullish, we should see a top. So based on 1 hour time frame, we have 36 minutes left. So 30-minute candle should have 6 minutes or so. Yeah, price can easily have wicks. we got around 5 minutes left for the 15-minute candle closure. Keep in mind that when the new 15-minute candle do open up, if we do come down and reject this 2376 or 78, respecting these lows, most likely we can break below 2376, you know. So I don't want to move stop loss here, but yeah, it is what it is. I think if we do touch that zone, most likely we're gonna be stop out. Yes, the podcast is live for quite some time. Actually, you know what? You can see him testifying here. Jerome is testifying here. You see, he's testifying. So your channel, you can see here videos, and yeah, here's the podcast. It's live. Yeah, yeah, here on the channel, it's live, brother. It's live. So we got closure in next 5 minutes or so. Ooh, we are coming back down. Keep in mind we don't have a topic, so it candle will have to come back up. Sure, sure. We got 2 minutes. How much? 2 minutes 30 seconds. So if we do close back into this range, what I would like to see if the next one will do break the high and reject. Okay, but keep in mind I want to see a rejection at 2377, and next rejection we have is 2376, and our stop loss is so near to that. So let's see. I mean, like, you know why I have confidence that price will flip, you know, is because we did break above this area, we retested, made a new high, respecting, if we are respecting this what we call support area, we should not break below and come down, you know. If it does, then we need to manage our risk and get out of the trade, most likely. But if we do get bullish here, then most likely what we are expecting price to do is at least to tap into this zone, 28, 28 pips or so. That's all we are looking for. We got 1 minute left before this candle to close. So if this candle close here, I need to move stop loss somewhere else, because then we're gonna definitely come to 2376 to see a rejection, and most likely we would like to, you know, Okay, we got 20 seconds or so. Let's see. Okay, to 5 minute time frame, what do we have? We did break above. We're respecting the support. Hmm. I think we did get a closure. I'm gonna move at least a little bit away from this 2376 to there because I'm gonna pretty sure we're gonna tap to that zone. And when it does, we should see a rejection. First, if we start moving down and reject this wick 2376 and flip bullish, then I'm not expecting price to come to 2376. Okay. What I mean is like if we break below this area, we have 237750 or so, and reject and flip bullish. That's what I'm expecting. And if we do continue going down, then we have another rejection here. And if that's not, then I think most likely price will continue going down. Here we are breaking the lows. Are we? We have not yet break the lows. I'm expecting. Okay, price did break the lows here. Price is coming down. Looking for a rejection at this point. 2376. As I said, if we break this low, 2376 is the next rejection point we have. Keep in mind, current this is a new 30-minute candle as well, so it doesn't have a much of a top wick. There are highly chances that this candle will flip bullish. Actually, it's a little bit late for me to go as well. How can I manage my risk here? So where is the structure we see? Price start move up. Here it is. So if price to come back under this, we've been live for 3 hours and above, and I need to go. So here's the thing, okay, people. I'll be managing my risk on this trade. Uh, Most likely, what I'm looking for is even if this candle do break this lows and all, I think as we have broke above this to retest of this zone, putting stop loss below this area will give us a much bigger drawdown. To be honest, that is like 2.7% or so. But below this, and would be a better stop loss, I think. But I'm expecting for price to flip bullish from here, and I'm not expecting to go in a drawdown much than this. And I'll be managing my risk here. So as soon as we flip bullish here, and that will be like I'm gonna targeting around 4%, 0.40% or so on this trade. So as soon as we flip bullish, I'm gonna try to manage my risk and close this trade. But at least I'm expecting for price to touch this zone at least, that is an key area level. So before going down, price should have to come back. Because why I'm saying that, keep in mind, we had a bullish run. We came to that same area level before have a proper bullish run. What do we have here then? Before price do, have a reaction or starting a trend or something, price do tap that zone twice. Here, we went down, tap those zone, then we had a drawdown. I mean, again. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frame real quickly. So we're still rich. We have not closed below. That's a good thing. So even if we do close below, I mean, but okay, we'll be losing 0.5%. I'm not expecting for price to, be a drawdown much. Yeah, that's it. I guess I'll update you guys about the trade into my Discord group. Keep in mind, if you don't have a Discord group link, you will find it in any video below the description. So thank you for watching the live stream. Most likely, I'm gonna manage my risk on this trade. Don't worry. We're gonna be, I think, even if we tap to these zones again, up 20, 10 to 12 pips, we're gonna close the trade. Yeah, peace.